Welcome friends. So in this video I will basically talk about a new application that I developed, which is a video timeline editor, which allows you to trim your videos, cut your videos right in the browser itself, and also you can compress your videos to lower sizes. So this is actually the interface in React.js that I developed using FFMPEG WebAssembly library. You can basically upload any extensions of video file, AVI, MP4, MOV. Let me select my input file. As I select this input file, it will show you inside this video player. You can see that now you can play your video file. You can navigate to any portion in this video. So it will basically find out some properties about this video, such as the name, size, which is the type of the video. All this information is gathered using the FFmpeg WebAssembly library, the size of the video, which is 152 megabytes. So all this information is displayed in this application, and now comes the trimming part. This is the starting duration you need to provide in this format and the ending duration. So this is, let me want to split the video, the first minute. So I will simply provide here 01, and the starting duration will be the starting of the video, and I need to trim the very first minute of the video. So as I provide this end duration, which is 01, represents the 01 minute. And if you just want to trim the video without altering the quality of the video, you will select this first option, which is trim the video without compressing it. So as I select the first option, now it will not re-encode the video, it will just trim out the portion that I selected, which is the starting duration and the ending duration. And there is an option which is convert option. If you click this option, it will basically do the FFmpeg WebAssembly compression or trimming. And now you can see that your trimmed video is displayed here, and you can play this video, the very first minute of the video.
Hello guys, welcome to the itself.
So you can see the very first minute of the video has been cut, trimmed, and it is showed in the output video player. Now you can save this. The size is, you can see that 7 megabytes. This type duration is only 1 minute. Click on save, and you can play this video file, saving it inside your
Hello guys,
computer.
welcome to the site.
So very simple application guys, but yet powerful. If you need the full source code guys, full source code of this project, the link is given in the description. You can directly purchase it from my website, Procodestore.com. After you purchase it guys, you will actually get this full source code. You will get the zip file after you purchase it from Google Drive automatically. You can download that zip file and then extract the portion of the code, and this will be the actual directory structure which will come out after you extract it. So you can see that in the package.json file we are actually using the FFmpeg WebAssembly library, and we are using the React 17 at recording of this video. It is compatible with all the versions, and these are the actual directory structure. Different kinds of components are there. Drag and drop component, which is there for actually uploading the file. This is for editing the video. So each and every component is responsible for its own job for actually carrying out the video editing options. So it's a fully timeline editor guys, which is developed inside React.js. Now if you want to reset the option, simply click that reset button, and again you can select your video. Let's suppose this time I want to alter the quality of the video. So what I will do is that I want to trim the very first portion. I will simply say, and now instead of trimming it without compressing it, I also want to compress the video. So what I will see, there are various qualities which are mentioned right here guys. In YouTube also, whenever you are watching a YouTube video, so the video comes in various qualities: 480p, 180p, 320p, 480p. So all these qualities are mentioned right here: 480p, 576p, 720p, 180p. So as you increase the quality, the conversion time will take longer. So you can see the estimated time as well, 5 minutes to 70 megabytes, all that stuff. If you also want to remove audio from video, you can toggle this option. And let's suppose I want to select 1080p. Click on convert. So it will now convert your video. It will compress it to 1080p. So it will take some longer time guys. Just wait for a while. After it finishes, it will actually show the output video to you. So it totally depends upon the size of the video guys. If you are uploading a larger size video, just make sure that you wait here, as it is carrying out the conversion process using FFmpeg WebAssembly library. which technically you are actually executing the FFmpeg command directly in the browser. So that's why it take longer, because we are re-encoding the video to a higher quality rate. So you can just see in the browser it is doing it step by step. You can see 8 seconds have been encoded. So once it reaches the full minute, it will actually show the output video here. So FFmpeg WebAssembly is slightly slow as compared to the FFmpeg that you execute directly in the command line, but because it is executing it right in the browser, so it has some limitations as well. But yet it's a very powerful tool. You can edit your videos directly in the browser without installing FFmpeg inside your computer, and it's a very good application. So what I will do is that I will trim the, just for showing you, let's suppose I only want to trim the very first 5 seconds, and here I will remove this audio from the video and compress it to 1080p. So it will now take faster because it just want to trim the very first 5 seconds of the video. So we are compressing it to 1080p. So you can see 3 seconds have been processed, and once it reaches the fifth second, it will actually show you the output file. You will see the it contains 5 seconds in the output video, and the size is 266 kilobytes. So the video is successfully compressed. It is 1080p. You can basically change the quality as well. If you want to compress this, you can select this option, 480p. So the size, original size is 152 megabytes. If you want to compress it to a lower quality, then you can select 480p. So this will actually reduce the size of the video. So let's suppose I do 480p, and I want to compress the first 30 second. So you can see in the command line, you can see the log statements of FFmpeg. It is doing its process. It is showing you the functionality. So once it reaches the full quota of the minutes that we mentioned, compression is little bit slow, guys, but the trimming part is really fast. You just need to mention the starting duration and the ending duration, and depending upon that, it will compress your video, sorry, trim your video. But for the compression, it takes some time. So just make sure that you wait inside the browser. Just give it ample amount of time to actually compress your video, because for compression I already told you it re-encodes the video. So for re-encoding, it takes some time. So it's a time intensive task, because as you know that editing videos take a lot of time. As you also use third-party softwares, you have used, if you want to edit videos to higher quality, it takes some time. So that's why it is taking some time. So the link is given, guys, in the description. If you want to purchase this application, you will actually get this full JavaScript code in React.js project, which uses FFmpeg WebAssembly library directly in the browser. It's a fully offline application. It doesn't require internet. You can directly execute this in this browser, edit your videos, trim your videos, and also compress your videos. So there is no limit of file size. You can upload as long videos as you can. There is no size limit of this application. So just make sure that you wait for the processing to take place. So once it finishes, it will show you the output video. So you can see it has been compressed to 1 megabyte and total duration is 30 seconds. You can save this video now, 798.
Hello guys, and Java this
So
awesome.
now it is, you can see the video is slightly degraded because it has been compressed to 480p quality wise. So you can see that. So if you are interested guys in purchasing this project, the link is given in the description. You can directly purchase it. You will actually get a zip file after you purchase it from procodestore.com. The link is given in the description. So please hit that like button, subscribe the channel, and I will be seeing you in the next video.